Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Fundamental English. In the series of model work, my today's topic is semi-modal have to. Have to in meaning is the same as must. Must is also used to express obligation, necessity or certainty. Have to also is used to express something, necessity, obligation or certainty. The difference is that must sentences come from the speaker to the listener, and if I say something that you must do it, she must do it, he must do that, then I can change. The option is with me, with the speaker, but have to statements come from outside and the speaker can't help the listener. It cannot be changed. So must is a sentence that comes from within and have to a statement that comes from outside. In Hindi, have to means करना है, करना पड़ता है और होना चाहिए, must be. So let's see what are the conditions, how we use point wise. Necessity. Have to is used to express necessity, like she has to be present in the function. It means it's necessary for her to be present in the function. Why necessary? Maybe there is some reason behind. So it is an obligation on her. She has to welcome the chief guest. This obligation is on her. She has got a duty to discharge. That's why it is necessary for her to be in the function. So this she has to be present in the function is a necessity, and she has to welcome the chief guest is an obligation on her. Okay. Next example is you have to be backstage. Why this example? Because here have to. Here I used has to. Has to and have to, both the semi-modals are used in present tense. Has to for singular subject, have to for plural subject. If the subject is he, she, it or any singular common or proper noun, then has to. If the subject is plural noun or pronoun like I, we, you, they or men, women, people, children, etc., then have to. This is has to and have to for present tense. For past tense we use had to, and future will have to. She has to welcome the chief guest, and for certainty, for compulsion or for foundation, that करना पड़ता है, like it's compulsory, I'm not getting any help, I'm helpless to do this, so I have to cook by myself. This is force or foundation on me, so I have to cook by myself. This is also use of have to. Next, certainty. Something is likely certain to be, then have to is used, like your books have to be on the table. वही होनी चाहिए, because you are reading the books there only. So these are the three uses of has to and have to. I told you has to and have to for present tense, and had to for past tense. Past tense will be had to. She had to welcome the guest, means it was in the past tense. Next comes negative sentences. How to form a negative sentence using has to, have to. Has to, have to become main verbs, and she doesn't have. Here it will become have to. You don't have to, and again in the past tense it will become she didn't, sorry, have to, like this we will use in negative. And in future tense we will go with will. For future, she will have to, you will have to, and I will have to. Okay, so in present has, have, in past tense had, and in future tense will have. So I hope all the uses are clear. So please watch the full videos and like, share, subscribe and comment on the videos. Thank you for watching.